feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.
Dadaan tayo guys. Dati daw guys dito bumper to. So ngayon kunti lang yung sasakyan na pasada. Blood church. So isang tagal namin na pinilitan at nakalita. Dito guys, traffic to. So ngayon kita nyo naman na apat lang yung sasakyan na dumadaan, tapos tatlo lang kami nakamotor. Dati dito bumper to bumper to. So ngayon ito na ang sitwasyon, no? Sana ganito palagi yung traffic, walang sasakyan dito. Lapit na po tayo guys sa simbahan sa Berlin sa Rizla. Nandito po tayo sa Ukay. Supply nyo natin yung mga traffic enforcer doon. So dati guys ang daming tao dito. So ngayon ilan lang yung nandito. Ilan lang yung mga taong nandito sa labas. Lapit na po tayo guys. So, nandito na po tayo sa gilid ng gym. Tabi ng gym. Ito na yung Pirin sa Regla Church. Sa Lapu-Lapu. So ayun guys, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa Pirin sa Regla sa Ukon. So kasi hindi tayo makapasok doon kasi bawal. So dito lang po tayo sa labas. So dito na rin po ako sa labas nagdagkot ng kandila. Nagsindi ng kandila kasi bawal doon sa loob. Hindi makapasok. So dyan po yung nakapiripot po tayo kanina. So dyan tayo dadaan. So kasi dito tayo kanina doon ako kanina hindi na kandila. So nandito po tayo sa likod ng Regla. Ay ikutin muna natin. Dyan na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, then click then like, then hit the notification bell para update kayo sa aking in-upload na video. So hanggang dito na lang po yung ating video. So marami pong salamat sa mga nanonood dyan. So shout out sa ating mga viewers. So huwag ninyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe para lalo pang lumaki ang ating channel. Thank you guys.